In this video, we'll show you how to restore your griddle top. Griddle tops are made of steel and this will naturally rust. If you live in an area with high humidity, then this exposure to air and water will cause rust on your griddle, so be extra cautious. These are the tools you will need to clean your griddle. Cuisinart's Griddle Cleaning Kit. If you do not have the kit, you can also use the Cuisinart Heavy Duty Griddle Scraper or a metal scraper and a grill stone or steel wool. Turn your griddle on high heat to loosen debris. This should take around 3 to 5 minutes. Turn off your griddle and then let it cool down. Use metal scraper to remove the debris. Make sure to do this step dry. Use your cleaning handle and scrubbing pad. Use paper towels to wipe the griddle clean. Apply more oil and wipe down the griddle again. Repeat this process until all the debris is off the griddle. If you happen to miss any spots, just go back over the griddle with oil, cleaning handle, and scrubbing pad. By doing this, you will be able to protect the top of your griddle and hopefully protect from any future rust. Turn your griddle onto medium-high heat. Your griddle will begin to smoke. The oil will bond with the metal, causing a discoloration in your griddle top. After your griddle top is turned to a matte black color, it is time to turn it off and let it cool. Repeat step 4 about 3 or 4 times until you have a fairly even matte black griddle top. Add a protective layer of cooking oil to your griddle between uses. Now that you have completed the restoration process, you'll have a perfect griddling surface to get cooking on.